let's look at differentiation using rules. Suppose the first one is f of x is equal to 5x to the fourth minus 3x to the third plus 4 over root of x. The first thing that we have to do is to fix the problem which is here. That's 5x to the fourth minus 3x to the third plus 4 over x to the power a half. Square root is the same as a exponent a half, which means this becomes 5x to the fourth minus 3x squared cubed plus 4x to the power negative a half. The expression is ready for differentiation, so we say f prime of x is equal to 4 times 5, or we can do it this way. 5, I know the best is 4 outside, then 5 x to the power 4, and we subtract 1 to this. That 4 is in front, minus 3, this 3, that's 3 x to the power 3 minus 1. We also do the same here. The negative a half comes to the front, that's minus a half. Minus and positive is negative, and then 4x to the power negative a half, and then we simplify. This becomes 20 x to the power 3 minus 9 x to the power that's minus 1 squared minus 4 into 2, that's a 2, that's a 2 x to the power we didn't subtract 1 here, we're supposed to subtract 1 here, right? And this becomes this becomes minus a half minus 1, it becomes minus 3 over 2. That's how this is solved, right? If it is required to leave this as a positive exponent, that's when otherwise you can leave it here. If required, that's when we go one more step to make it 20 x to the power 30 minus 9 x squared minus 2 over x to the power 3 over 2. That becomes the end of it, right? That's the first, and we need to do the second one. Let's say this time around we have, let's say y is equal to 5x to the fourth plus 3 over x squared plus 4 cube root of x to the power 4, like that. And we are to differentiate. Here we simplify first. This becomes 5, that's, and then minus 3 x to the power minus 2. Take this to the top and you change the exponent, plus 4, this one is going to be a 4 over 3, that's x 4 over 3. This is exactly the same as that, and then it's ready for differentiation. So we have dy over dx, because we are differentiating x with respect to y. So 4, then 5x, that's 4 minus 1. Here again, that's negative and negative 2. That's 3x to the power minus 2 minus 1. Plus this 4 over 3 and 4, that's x to the power 4 over 3 minus 1. Right, like that. So this then will give us 4 times that, that's 20, x to the power 3 minus, and this negative, it becomes positive. It becomes positive 6, x to the power minus 2 minus that is minus 3. Then plus 4 times 4 gives us 16 over 3, and then x, that's a quarter minus 1. It becomes a quarter, 1 over 4. Sorry, it becomes 1 over 3, not 1 over 4, over 3. Right? It's 4 minus 3. Right? That's how this can be concluded. This is our second, right? The first and this is the second question, like that.